Hello everyone, this is day 9 of the series where I'm completing the whole NEET syllabus in just 3.5 months. I know there are a lot of people who have no idea what I am doing currently, so I will just give you an overview of it. So this is a planner which I'm working on, and the 8 parts you see, I'm doing every part in 14 days. And this is one part which I'm doing currently. I have to complete it in 14 days. Also, I have an important announcement to make today, so please watch the full video. So back to the routine guys, I started today at 8:45 am. No matter how hard I try, but I think I just can't start before 8:30 am in the morning. So as always, I posted the daily goal in a YouTube short. Yeah, I post it daily at before 8 am. Today I had to do the remaining portion of electric potentials lecture 1, and along with that I had to do 3 lectures of liquid solutions lecture 6, 7 and 8. I wasn't sure if I could do the lecture 8 or not, and with it I had to do the electrostatic potential lecture 2. So basically I had planned 5 lectures for the day, but I wasn't sure if I could do the 5th one. And I had to do many questions in the liquid solution chapter, and also I have to do some questions from the electrostatic potential chapter, and with that I have to revise everything which I did today too. So I started off with the electrostatic potential lecture 1, the remaining portion. It's currently 11:01 right now, and I have completed the electrostatic potential lecture 1. It was a very long lecture. I had to do almost 1.5 hours of it today. So yeah, this is completed. I will just mark the list. I have to do now the liquid solutions lecture 6, so I will be heading on to that right now. So the lecture 6 of the liquid solution is also complete. It's currently 1:06 right now. It took me around 2 hours to complete the whole lecture. So I just marked the list, and since मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं था तो I went to have lunch. It's time for the important announcement guys. Since you are aware that मैं रोज़ रात को 9:30 बजे वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ, but since I have to edit after 7:30 PM, so मेरा रिदम इसमें ब्रेक हो जाता है. So I have decided to upload the videos the very next day in the morning. मैं रात में एडिट कर लूँगा और सुबह मैं पोस्ट करूँगा. I hope you guys will understand, क्योंकि मैं कुछ दिनों से क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस ठीक से नहीं कर पा रहा था, so I had to take this decision. So that was the announcement. Let's head back to the video right now. So it was 1:36. I returned back after having my lunch, और उसके बाद मैं liquid solutions का lecture 7 करने चला गया. But I couldn't record at that time क्योंकि my phone's battery was dead. It was around 3:58 PM when I finished the liquid solutions lecture 7. There is only one more lecture left and the chapter will be over, but मैं इसके ज़्यादा questions practice नहीं कर पाया हूँ, so I will have to practice more and more questions today. So after completing the lecture, I just marked my planner. Then I went to do the electrostatic potential lecture 2. It was a long lecture though. It was around 2.5 hours long, so it was going to take a lot of time. I have finished the lecture 2 of the electrostatic potential and capacitance, and it's currently 7:12 right now. There was still some time left and I wanted to do the last lecture, lecture 8 of the liquid solutions, but मुझे पता था कि मैं पूरा तो नहीं कर पाऊँगा, so I decided to leave it, क्योंकि बहुत सारे questions भी आज practice करने थे लिक्विड सॉल्यूशंस के, लाइक DPPs एंड PYQs एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल, और इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल के भी क्वेश्चंस मुझे प्रैक्टिस करने थे, और जो 4 लेक्चर मैंने आज किए उसके रिवीजन भी करने थे. सो आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड देयर एंड कॉल्ड इट अ डे. मैं अभी वीडियो एडिट कर रहा हूँ. आई विल बी डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस एंड रिवीजन आफ्टर पोस्टिंग द वीडियो. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. एंड हाँ, डे 10 की वीडियो कल नहीं आएगी. आई विल पोस्ट इट द डे आफ्टर टुमारो. आई विल पोस्ट इट एट अराउंड 6 AM. सो सी यू गाइज देन. तब तक के लिए बाय.